How to change bank account on Doordash. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your bank account on Doordash. If you're using PC or phone, go to the website of Doordash and you need to follow the following steps right here. So watch this video till the very end. First of all, you need to open the merchant app on the Google Chrome or any browser that you prefer. In the merchant portal, you will see there is the setting option on the top left side. When you tap on it, now what you need to do is navigate down to the bank account option. After tapping on the setting option, you will see many options right there. There is also the option of bank account. Tap on the bank account option. Now tap on the edit option, which is on the right side of bank account. Now after you do that, you need to edit all the changes like your current account number and everything right here. After you do that, you need to save all the changes right here. After saving all the changes, you will then start to receive the payments via direct deposit based on your account information you have entered, and then you are simply done. Just like that, you have changed your bank account. So that's how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.